Hi guys, today I'm taking you on a little Halloween tour. Welcome to my channel. Most of the decorations you'll see I actually made myself. My kids helped too. This year is a little bit different though because my little guy insisted that we put every single decoration we own out, and he really wanted to make it extra Halloweeny. So I hope you enjoy it. We'll start off in the kitchen, then head into the dining room, the family room, down the hallway, and finish up in my little powder room. I'll put on some spooky music so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the Halloween vibes. And there you have it. That concludes our Halloween house tour. I hope it gave you a little inspiration to decorate your own space this season. We definitely went overboard a bit this year, but honestly, I just love it so much. That's why I like to get everything done early so we can enjoy the decorations for as long as possible. Once Halloween is over, we'll be switching everything over to Christmas, so stay tuned for that video. It is one of my favorites to make every year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Tell me if you decorate for Halloween and if you love it as much as I do. I will also try to post a video of my front porch if I get a chance. I'm not sure that I will just because there's a lot of stuff on there that my little guy put out. So I don't know. It's not an official video, so I may not. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you are interested in how I decorate my outside, you can look at some older videos either on this channel or over on Vesna TV Home where I have some pictures. I can add some over here. These are from previous years, but if you want the full video, head on over to either Vesna TV Home or some of my older videos. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Stay safe, and we'll see you soon.